ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we are.
My name is Somdatta.
Somdatta.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the name of the label?
Angsutra.
Angsutra.
Yeah.
बताएं उसकी story बताएं. Why this name?
Okay, the story तो अब क्या है कि we both started it.
Okay. You're
yeah.
you're
both
friends.
we
We are
both are friends.
Okay.
And we both have been very
So both of
passionate
us run together.
together. We are the co-founders.
Okay.
Yes.
And you're based in, ma'am?
Gurgaon.
You're Gurgaon.
Yeah.
So you had a fashion training, something like that? and all?
Nothing. We just have an eye for fashion, if you can call that.
Okay.
We just, for the last 10-15 years, we know each other.
Okay.
And we both kind of have the same kind knack for everything handloom and handmade.
Okay.
And our choices are similar when it comes to clothes and fabrics.
So how long have you been in the industry now?
It's going
It's been
to
2
be
years.
yeah.
It's been 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's all handloom?
All
and
Yes.
handloom.
Yes.
Slow fashion, one could say?
Slow, yeah.
Yeah, slow and sustainable fashion.
Slow and sustainable
Yes.
fashion. So probably you're more into saris?
Yes, primarily.
Primarily saris.
Yes.
Occasion wear or
Yeah,
party wear?
Everything.
Also.
Everything.
Day-to-day, regular wear.
Even
Okay.
wear.
Yes, everything.
Okay. Who does the designing part?
So we both are right now not into designing,
Okay.
to be very honest. But what we do is the USP or anything that you can call that. We travel to the remote villages.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
have covered 5 states as of now.
Okay.
So we have been to West Bengal, we have
Wow.
been to Telangana, we have been to Rajasthan, we have been to Madhya Pradesh,
Wow.
and we have been to Hyderabad.
Wow.
So we have gone to these states, we have gone to the remote villages, we have met the weavers.
The weavers.
So we handpick
We handpick all
the saris
Okay.
from there.
So Telangana, from the south, you must be having kalamkaris
Yes,
and all?
we
we
do.
have-
We do.
Okay.
So we have been to these villages because we,
Chandeli from,
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh,
Yeah.
from West Bengal, what do you have?
West Bengal we have
mainly our
lot-
product are
yeah,
from
cottons,
West Bengal only.
Okay.
silks,
Okay.
and the idea
Baluchari
behind
silk?
we don't
Baluchari
have
we don't
that,
have.
Okay.
but
Yeah.
but
Okay.
Baluchari is from West Bengal.
West Bengal, yeah.
And the idea of traveling was we didn't want to do like a WhatsApp kind of a business where people send you sari photos and you pick and choose. The idea was to really get into genuine products and to see how they were made and associate with the weavers. So that was how the idea got generated.
So अभी कितना टाइम हो गया मैम अंगसूत्र को?
2 साल.
2 साल. उससे पहले आपका क्या बैकग्राउंड था?
Acha, we were, I mean, homemakers only. And
okay.
when our kids grew up, then
Okay.
we thought, "Ki, let's do
Okay.
something which we want to do, which we have. I mean, we were passionate for saris, so
Okay.
we thought of
Yeah.
starting doing this.
So did you do your homework, some research work before starting
see,
it?
the point is, if I tell you my background,
Yeah.
I was into corporate training.
Okay.
So when I left my job because of family,
Okay.
the idea was there to do something,
Something.
and that something had to be something which I was really passionate about. So when we both, I mean, we didn't talk about business at that time, but we generally talked about artisanal stuff. We talked about handloom stuff. So we had this inclination to work with people who are really into making the product themselves. So what best, because saris we are both very passionate about. We wear them and we like to be associated with
You must
any.
be having a lot of
We
diverse collection.
ourselves
Yeah.
have a lot of collection. So then that idea got germinated,
Okay.
but we don't have any formal training in fashion.
Okay, great.
We
It's-
don't have
it's
any
passion.
formal.
It's
passion.
Okay.
Yes, but yes, we do have an eye.
Okay. And how do you operate? Means you have a store or
We have a
exhibitions
small
online?
home studio,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
we have online
In Gurgaon
presence.
itself?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We are on Instagram.
Yes.
We have a website too.
Yes.
Okay.
And we do exhibitions.
Yeah. That
Great,
is how.
Great.
Exhibitions till date, so we have done only in Gurgaon and Delhi.
Okay.
So maybe
Yeah. We are hoping that we go
Pan
domestic,
India.
pan India, and international. Hope so.
Best of luck, ma'am.
Thank you so
Really
much.
nice to hear your story, ma'am.
Thank you.